I wanted to give you guys a brief preview of how this PLC should be wired to an input. And if you look here, as the last video I showed you how to wire the PLC and what the terminal strip should look like. This video is just showing you I'm stealing 24 volt power from my trainer, depending on how your trainer is set up. And if you trace out this red wire, all you're going to see is that it provides the power to my output. The output on my PLC I'm using is 24 volts AC. And what you'll also notice is that the PLC is then fed with 110 volts to just power up the PLC so the thing can function. And this goes into those two terminal strips on the bottom of your PLC. The input side, the PLC makes 24 volts DC. I am then taking that 24 volts with this red wire, and it comes up into my start button, which Moodle has for the first project. It's just an open contact that energizes a coil. Once I press that start button, it then inputs information to the PLC on this wire, and then it comes back over to this screw as an input, allowing this output to happen. The first Moodle project, the output fires and then energizes my 24 volt relay. Simple project. I just wanted you to see how it's wired. Hopefully this helps out. We'll see you on the next video.